Guys, welcome back to another video. We are currently at the Marr Road Railroad Crossing in Howell, Michigan again. Now, this is actually a pretty new install, like almost brand new. There used to be just stop signs and a crossbuck here. But anyways, I kind of wanted to tour this because it's a new crossing. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the first signal, this has a Western Coal and Hayes base with a Western Coal and Hayes back clamp. Here's the dot tag, dot number 000294M. You can see how new it is. You can see nice blue on here. You have a Western Coal and Hayes gate mechanism with the imprinted logo. 2 pairs of Western Coal and Hayes 12 by 24 inch dotted LEDs sitting on a Satran light or a WC Hayes light bracket. Going out the back. The gate lights are probably NEG LED gate lights. And there's also a WC Hayes 12 by 24 inch white light up there. And the cool thing is, the Great Lakes Central sometimes installs these. This has a Gen 3 Western Coal and Hayes mechanical bell up there, which is pretty cool. And we got no turns, luckily. So this was the first signal here. It also has the newer gate striping and a wind guard. So we're gonna cross the street again. Now, onto the second signal, which is pretty similar to the first. This has another Western Coal and Hayes base with the Western Coal and Hayes back clamp. Here's the dot tag again. Now, I'm not going to stand back there because it's like a pit there, but this probably has a Western Coal and Hayes imprinted logo gate mechanism. The lights are 2 pairs of Western Coal and Hayes 12 by 24 inch dotted LEDs sitting on a Western Coal and Hayes light bracket, probably. And up there is also a Western Coal and Hayes 12 by 24 inch white light up there, facing the tracks. And the bell is another WC Hayes mechanical bell, Gen 3. And this also probably has NEG LED gate lights. Yeah, NEG LED gate lights. Across the street again. As you can see, here's the first signal. And also the weird thing, that crossing's already damaged. If you didn't see, the black visor kind of part, it's damaged. It's the easy gate sticker on it. See, coming around here, here's the side view again. There's no old dot tag since this is a new install. Here's the counterweights. Now we're gonna cross the road again. Second signal. Here's the front view of the signal, side view, and the back, as you can see. And it has WC Hayes gate arms. And they're also missing the bolt, or to hold the gate in, but you can see there's more bolts. Anyways, this is a pretty cool crossing. I wanted to tour for a while. And I actually thought that they installed old signals here, which is pretty weird. Why would I think that? Oh, I'm gonna try to shake the crossing. This is actually like a pretty. I never really thought of how big railroad crossings are. I'm 5'4" in this, and look at how big this thing is. This is like from my height. Now I'm gonna try to shake it a little bit. Actually, nah. As you can see, sometimes when I shake the crossing, you could just shake it forever and it wouldn't ring. And then you shake it hard enough, and then it just starts ringing a whole bunch. Anyways, this was the Marr Road Railroad Crossing in Howell, Michigan. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.